Welcome to TechCuss tutorial. Today we will show how you can insert picture in Microsoft Excel in an efficient and effective way. To insert picture in Microsoft Excel, what you have to do, click on Insert, then go to Shape, then go to Rectangle, drag, and when you drag, just press Alt, ALT, and then drag like that. Then go to shape format and go to shape fill, then select picture, and from that picture, from the file, you are going to insert your picture. So here I'm going to insert the house picture. Insert. So as you can see, it has automatically updated the house picture, and that perfectly match with the cell. Okay, the same thing you can do for window. So what I'm going to do, insert, go to shape, then go to rectangle, alter, then shape fill, picture, from file, window. Going to do the same thing for doors. So as you can see, the cell has been automatically populated with different picture and it matches perfectly. And when you adjust the length or height of the cell, this would be automatically updated. So like this, and if you drag here, the picture is automatically updated. If you normally just insert picture like this from the device and just insert the picture like door and then do this kind of adjustment, you cannot control this kind of operation in Microsoft Excel. Also, if you hide any of the cell, the picture has also hide. Okay, so thanks for watching, hope you have enjoyed it.